Agriculture is the new buzzword in Africa. The reason behind it, agriculture is the third fastest growth driver besides infrastructure and resources. The agriculture related industry market will touch $1 trillion by 2030. Africa do import every year foodstuff worth of $50 billion. All these creates new opportunity for Africa. All African countries has considered agriculture as business, not a mere social enterprise. Every nation is trying to bring youth back into agriculture. All these require new kind of skill sets. Centum Learning, India's largest private sector skill building organizations, has demonstrated how to improve employability of the youth as well as improve the performance of various industry segments. Currently, Centum Learning is operational in 18 geographies in Africa. The attempt is to bring Indian experiences of increasing employability and performance enhancement in Africa. Centum Learning, through its unique learning development solutions, try to build new breed of value chain managers. Time has come to rethink agriculture. The conventional wisdom of doing agriculture will not be beneficial in the context of African endeavor. We need to bring technologies and innovation to make agriculture a commercial venture in Africa. It's also important to bring the efficiency and the understanding of private sector in this particular context so that an efficient private-public partnership emerges in Africa.